Hello everybody, and welcome to Jack's Speaking Program, Introduction on Sound Production. Sound production is the base of our human speech. What I mean by that is our body has to work as an instrument to produce the necessary sounds before transforming it to a recognizable speech, also known as language. However, different languages produce different sounds. So when you're learning a new language or a new sound, it's essential that you understand how our body works behind the scenes to produce these new sounds. So let's get started. When we speak upon the air that we exhale. So behind me here, you'll see a diagram of our human respiratory system. Notice that our voice mechanism is composed of three subsystems. There's 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to explain how our body utilizes these three phases to transform nothing but air into a spoken language. So let's start with phase 1. We're going to start with air inside your lungs. And of course, the end result after the transformation is going to be a spoken language. Let's start with phase 1. The air inside your lungs. They're going to be pushed out using your diaphragm, your chest muscles, and your abdominal muscles. They're going to work together to push the air out of your lungs and into your windpipe. So number 1 is air pressure. It causes airstream to enter your windpipe. Now, when the airstream travels up the windpipe and it reaches your vocal cords are going to initially close. Why? Because it traps the air for a moment before releasing it. And that's going to cause vibration. So number 2 is vibration. Now, when your vocal cords vibrate, it is changing the air pressure into sound waves. At this point, without entering into phase 3, the vibration alone is going to produce a buzzing sound, almost like bzzz, and nothing more. However, once the sound waves reach your resonators, such as your throat, your nasal passage, and your oral cavities, it is going to change that buzzing sound into a recognizable voice. Last but not least, your articulators, such as your mouth, your tongue, your lips, they're going to change the voice or transform the voice into a spoken language, a recognizable speech. So number 3 is going to be modification, because you're modifying the sound waves into a recognizable speech. I'm going to write modification. And like I said, its purpose is to change the sound waves into spoken language. This process is called sound production of our human body changing or transforming nothing but air into a spoken language. I'm going to use this diagram as an example. If this diagram was designed to speak a foreign language, and you can actually use yourself as an example. If you're a foreigner and you're able to speak your own native language, the foreign language, if you're able to speak that fluently without accent, that means you're able to produce the correct sounds. The foreign sounds that you're producing, your body is going through these steps. So I'm going to write foreign on each of these steps. Because your body's able to cause foreign air pressure and then cause foreign vibration and then last but not least modify the foreign sounds into a foreign spoken language, you're able to speak fluently. However, here comes the problem. When you're learning a new language or a new sound, such as English, the problem lies with your accent. You're not able to speak clearly or fluently because you're not producing the correct sounds that English requires. And I'm going to tell you why. The diagram that I had drawn up, you'll notice that phase 1 and 2 are colored in green dotted boxes. The third phase, however, is colored in red dotted box. The reason for that is visibility. You're able to see phase 3. You're physically seeing how your mouth moves, your tongue, your jaws, your lips. You're able to imitate what you see. So phase 3, you're able to imitate, such as English modification. However, what you don't see is phase 1 and 2. It's located inside your body. Because you're not able to see, you're not able to imitate. If you're not able to imitate the English air pressure and English vibration, you're going to still have your foreign air pressure and foreign vibration causing foreign sound. No matter how many times you try to modify your foreign sound, your English will come out broken. We call that broken English. The only solution to the problem, your accent, is to change the air pressure and vibration so that your body is able to produce the correct sounds of the English language. As long as you're able to produce the correct English sounds, then you'll be able to modify that into a fluently speaking English language. Jack's speaking program is going to teach you step by step, easy to understand techniques that you'll be able to utilize so that not being able to see phases 1 and 2, you'll be able to learn, and it will become more of a habit so that when you're speaking, it'll come out natural.